Project 6 Cooking Without Fire Question Answers from Grade 6 Subject Vocational Education Book Kaushal Bodh. Page 138 Question 1 What is your favorite dish? Answer Fruit chaat. Question 2 Which dishes do you like that can be prepared without fire? Answer Bhel puri, lemonade, sandwich, buttermilk, sprouts chaat. On the basis of the survey, list the dishes that will be prepared as part of the activity in the school. Answer first bhel puri, second lemonade, third buttermilk, fourth sandwich, fifth fruit chaat. Table 6.2 Estimation of quantity of ingredient for conversion. Ingredient honey, quantity in grams or liters 300 grams, 1 cup, 1 teaspoon 5 gram, 1 tablespoon 15 gram. Lemon juice, quantity in grams or liters 250 ml, 1 cup, 5 ml, 15 ml. Cucumber chopped, quantity in grams or liters 100 grams, 1 cup. Next, flour, atta or maida, quantity in grams or liters 120 grams, 1 cup, 5 gram, 15 gram. Table 6.3 Draw sketch of the tools. First, knife. So friends, this is the sketch. Second, grater. This is the sketch. Third, whisk. This is the sketch. And fourth, peeler. This is the sketch. You can draw them by pausing the video. Table 6.4 Storing conditions for different ingredients. Ingredient hard fruit. Best way to store room temperature. Next, soft fruit in the fridge. Green leafy vegetables, cool place or fridge. Onions, cool, dry, dark place. Cut vegetables in the fridge. Bread, room temperature, airtight. Milk in the fridge. Page 143, question 1. Where did you dispose of the segregated waste? Answer. I disposed of the wet and dry waste in separate dustbins provided in the classroom. Question 2. What did you do with plastic containers after using them? Answer. I cleaned the plastic containers and kept them for reuse or recycling. Question 3. What did you do to reduce the amount of waste produced in the kitchen? Answer. I used only the required quantity of ingredients and reused fruit and vegetable peels wherever possible. Question 4. What kind of waste can be used for composting? Answer. Fruit and vegetable peels, leftover food scraps, tea leaves, and spoiled bread can be used for composting. Question 5. What can we do with leftover food instead of throwing it away? Answer. We can store it in the fridge to eat later, share it with others, or use it to make a new dish. Page 144. Question 1. What beverage did you prepare? Answer. I prepared lemonade. Question 2. List the ingredients and their quantities used for making the beverages. Estimate the number of people you could serve with the ingredients used. Answer. Water 4 cups, lemons 8, sugar 1.5 cup adjusted to taste. This quantity can serve around 4 to 5 people. Question 3. Taste the beverages made by other groups. Did you notice any difference in taste? Yes, no. Answer. Yes. Every group added different amounts of lemon and sugar, so the taste was slightly different. Question 4. Provide and receive suggestions from other groups. Did you implement any suggestions? If yes, how did you incorporate them? Answer. Yes, one group suggested adding a pinch of salt. I implemented this by adding a little salt and it made the lemonade taste even better. Question 5. Describe the amount of waste generated. Answer. We generated about half a small bag of waste which included lemon peels and sugar wrappers. Page 146. Question 1. What did you make today? Answer. I made fruit chaat. Question 2. How did you decide what ingredients to use? Answer. I chose seasonal fruits that were easily available at home like apples, bananas and grapes. Question 3. What was the most challenging part of making this dish? Answer. Cutting the fruits evenly and quickly was a little difficult. Question 4. Did you learn any new skills while preparing it? Answer: Yes. I learned how to cut fruits properly and mix them without making them mushy. Question 5. Did you add your idea to the recipe? If so, what did you change? Answer: Yes. I added a pinch of black salt and some pomegranate seeds to enhance the taste. Question 6. Did you work with anyone else while making this dish? How did you divide tasks? Answer: Yes, I worked with a classmate. I cut the fruits and they arranged and mixed them. Question 7. What was the best part of working together? Answer: Sharing the work made it faster and more fun. We also laughed and enjoyed while making the dish. Question 8. What did you learn from making this dish? Answer: I learned that simple ingredients can make a very tasty and healthy dish. Question 9. What quantity of waste was generated from this activity? Answer: A small bowl of fruit peels and seeds was generated. Page 148. Question 1. What did you make? Answer: I made bhel puri. Question 2. List the ingredients and the quantity of each used to make the dishes. Answer: Puffed rice murmura 2 cups, chopped onions 1.5 cup, chopped tomatoes 1.5 cup, chopped coriander 1.4 cup, save 1.4 cup, salt and chaat masala to taste, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, mint chutney 2 tablespoons optional. Question 3. How many people could you serve with the quantity of ingredients you used? Answer: I could serve around 3 people. Question 4. Go around and taste the dishes that other groups have made. Do you find any difference in taste? Yes, no. Give and take suggestions from them. Answer: Yes. Every group had their own way of mixing and seasoning. Suggestions exchanged. I suggested adding peanuts to another group's dish, and someone suggested I add more chutney for flavor. Question 5. Did you implement any of those suggestions? If yes, how? Answer: Yes. I added an extra spoon of chutney and a little more lemon juice. It made the bhel puri more tangy and tasty. Question 6. How much waste was produced? Answer: About half a small bag, which included onion peels, tomato tops, and empty packets. Page 150. Question 1. What do you think is special about your food item? Answer: My food item bhel puri is special because it is crunchy, colorful, tangy, and can be made quickly without using fire. It is healthy and fun to eat. Question 2. Make a poster or an invitation card or write a social media message to invite visitors. Answer: You are invited to our food mela. Come taste tasty and healthy dishes made without fire by class 6 students. Date. So friends, you have to write date here. Venue, school ground, free tasting and fun for everyone. So friends, you can also decorate the invitation card with pictures. Question 3. How will you attract people to try the food items? Answer: I will decorate the stall with colorful charts, balloons and display the dishes nicely. I will also offer free samples to make people curious and excited. Question 4. How will you maintain cleanliness and hygiene in and around your stall? Answer: I will wear gloves, cover my hair with a cap, and use clean utensils. We'll also keep sanitizer and dustbins near the stall. Question 5. How will you clean up after the event? Answer: After the mela, we will collect all the waste, throw it in separate dustbins, wet and dry, and wipe the tables. We will also return all the utensils clean. What did I learn from others? Think about what you did and respond to the following questions. Question 1. Did you get recipes other than the ones in your activity book? Answer: Yes. Question 2. Did you ask someone to help with the recipes in your activity book? Answer: Yes, from teacher and parents. Question 3. Did you face any issues while working in team? How did you resolve it? Answer: Yes, solved by discussing rules clearly. Question 4. Did you learn measurement of ingredients from others? Answer: yes. What else can I do? Create your own recipe. Be inspired by the different recipes you practiced. Name of the dish: spicy curd sandwich. What is needed: bread, curd, salt, chili, mint. What is to be done: mix curd with chili and mint, spread on bread, cut and serve. Next, think and answer. Question 1. What did you enjoy doing during the activity? Answer: I enjoyed cutting fruits, mixing ingredients, and decorating the food the most. It was fun to work with my classmates and serve food to others. Question 2. What would you like to do differently? Answer: next time I would like to try a new recipe and make a colorful poster for our food stall. Question 3. Do you think you can prepare an entire balanced meal without using fire? Yes, no. Answer: yes. We can make salads, sprouts, fruit chaat, buttermilk, and lemonade to make a healthy and balanced meal. Question 4. What jobs are related to the project? Look around, speak to people, and write your answer. A few examples of jobs related to the work you just did are cook at home, chef in a hotel, and an artist who presents food in different forms. Answer: these are some jobs related to the cooking without fire project: home cook, chef in a hotel or restaurant, food stylist who decorates food, nutritionist, catering helper, teacher of home science. So friends, we have completed all these question answers from project 6, cooking without fire. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.